In this video, we'll have a look at how grading works to autofill following size correspondence. So here, for example, we'll take the man winter jumper, update it. As you can see, I've fulfilled already the sizes for large. Now what I'll do is go into grading. My base size is large, but you can change that to any base size you'd like. So for example, if you've just got the measures for 2XL, you could have your measures here for your 2XL and then apply it as your baseline and then fulfill here the grading numbers that you'd like to apply. But in this instance, what we're going to do is we're simply going to use the L size, where I've actually put some information and say I'd like to apply a grading for the following size. So let's say XL is 1 centimeters, 2 here, 3. Press apply. And what that does, it automatically grades the following size up. Just make sure you mirror whichever size input you've got, because for example here I haven't put a circumference or a front length or a button length. So obviously if I did put a number here, this would simply replicate that number into those cells. Once done, I press save, and here we are, your grading has been done.